the deserts of Arabia. Today, we're diving into the world of Arabian Nights party ideas. Think mystery, glamour, gold, and a hint of magic in every detail. Whether you're planning a birthday, bridal shower, or themed dinner, this one's for you. From decor to dress codes, food to favors, we've got it all covered. This exotic theme is full of rich colors, lanterns, and mystic vibes. Ready to transform your space into a desert oasis or palace courtyard? Stay with us till the end to discover secret tips and bonus ideas. Let's begin this enchanting adventure right now. What's the best color scheme for an Arabian party? Go bold with royal purples, gold, turquoise, and deep reds. These colors bring out the richness of Arabian culture. Add sequins and metallic accents for a magical vibe. Golden drapes and beaded curtains add charm instantly. Create a dreamy ambiance that guests won't forget. Love this theme already? Hit that like button. Don't forget to share it with your party squad, and comment below your favorite color combo. What kind of decorations should I use? Use Moroccan lanterns, magic carpets, floor cushions, and canopies. Hang sheer fabrics from the ceiling for a tent-like effect. Use rugs to set the scene like a royal desert camp. Add candles or fairy lights for a warm glow. Even one corner can become a magical photo zone. Hit subscribe if you're loving the decor tips. Drop a comment if you'd try this at your event. And check the links below for more theme ideas. How should guests dress for the theme? Encourage guests to wear kaftans, harem pants, or turbans. Gold jewelry and headpieces really elevate the look. Go for shimmery fabrics and exotic prints. You can even set up a costume corner for fun. It's all about channeling that Arabian royalty feel. Like, comment, and subscribe for more style guides. Would you rock an Arabian outfit? Let us know. Share the video with your fashion-forward friends too. What kind of food should I serve? Serve kebabs, hummus, tabbouleh, dates, and baklava. You can also go for a falafel or shawarma station. Serve tea in ornate pots for that authentic touch. Gold trays and platters add elegance to the spread. Label food with Arabic-style name tags for detail. If you're enjoying these ideas, like this video, got a favorite Arabian dish, drop it in the comments. And make sure you subscribe for more party tips. What drinks fit the Arabian theme? Serve mint lemonade, rose milk, or cardamom tea. Use mason jars wrapped in gold twine or metal cups. Add edible glitter to drinks for a magical sparkle. Mocktails with pomegranate or fig are perfect too. You can even name your drinks like Desert Mirage. Liking the vibe? Give this video a big thumbs up. Share with someone who loves creative drinks. Check the description for more themed drink recipes. Can I do this theme indoors and outdoors? Absolutely. Indoors, use lighting and fabrics creatively. Outdoors, go for a desert camp setup with tents. Use string lights, rugs, and floor seating under the stars. Both options can be equally enchanting and immersive. Just adapt the props based on your space. If this flexibility helps, leave a like below. And comment if you'd do it inside or outside. Subscribe for more venue transformation ideas. What kind of entertainment should I plan? Try belly dancers, henna artists, or fire performers. You can even add a hookah lounge or Arabic music. Let guests pose at a magic carpet photo booth. Games like genie bottle trivia or treasure hunt work too. Create magical moments they'll always remember. Love the entertainment ideas? Like and share now. What act would you add to your party? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more unique ideas. How do I make it kid-friendly? Add a storytelling corner with Arabian folktales. Set up craft stations for lantern or mask making. Include mini camel rides or sand art bottles. Use colorful cushions and cartoon-themed decor. Make sure snacks and games are safe and fun. Like this tip? Tap that thumbs up button. Comment if you're planning for little ones. Subscribe for more family-friendly party themes. What kind of party favors should I give? Mini lanterns, genie bottle keychains, or oud perfume? Henna kits, Moroccan tea tins, or gold-wrapped sweets? Wrap in organza bags with a thank you tag in Arabic font. Small yet memorable keepsakes leave lasting impressions. Guests will adore the extra thoughtfulness. Enjoying this? Give a like and comment magical. Share the video to help others find cool favors. And check the description for favor shopping ideas. What should the main centerpiece be? A gold lamp, a mini tent, or stacked lanterns? Surround it with rose petals or LED tea lights. Add a sign saying "Make a wish for fun." It'll become a selfie spot for everyone. Keep it bold, beautiful, and theme matching. Was this helpful? Hit like and drop a comment. What would your centerpiece be? Let us know. And subscribe for more unique table setup ideas. How can I make a photo booth area? Use Arabian-style backdrops, velvet curtains, and tassels. Add props like turbans, lamps, and veils. Include a magic carpet or throne chair. Create an arch with fairy lights or golden fabric. Encourage guests to snap and share the magic. Love photo booth ideas? Like and comment now. What prop would you love? Drop it below. And hit subscribe for creative DIY booth tips. What kind of lighting works best? Use dim lighting with lanterns, candles, and warm fairy lights. Hang lights in different levels for a floating effect. Add LED lamps inside colored bottles or jars. Avoid harsh white light. Go for warm golden tones. Create a soft, dreamy vibe across your space. Like the ambiance tips? Tap that like button. Would you go all out with lights? Comment below. And subscribe for magical lighting tips and more. How early should I plan an Arabian theme party? Ideally, start 3 to 4 weeks ahead for sourcing and setup. Especially for custom props, costumes, or performers. Make a checklist and work room by room or corner. Planning in advance means less stress and more fun. Even small touches need time to shine bright. If this timeline helped, hit that like button now. Comment planning mode on, if you're ready, and subscribe so you never miss out on themed prep guides. And there you have it, a complete guide to Arabian-themed party perfection. From dazzling decor to delicious dishes and enchanting entertainment. This theme is all about creating an experience, not just an event. Whether you're going big or keeping it cozy, every touch adds magic. Your guests will step into a story and leave with unforgettable memories. With a little planning, you can truly bring the Arabian Nights to life. So start building your vision today, tent, tassels, and all. Explore more themed party guides on our playlist linked below. Your magical moment is just one idea away.